We are screwed, guys. Rest in peace, software engineers. That's all I hear since DeepSeek was released, and I really wanted to make this video to discuss with you why all this is nonsense. I want to explain exactly what DeepSeek is, how it actually works, and why it's a great ally in your programming life. By the way, I really hate the name of it, but hey, who am I to judge, right? So before we dive into analyzing DeepSeek, let me tell you one thing that you might not know. If you really want to learn programming and become a software engineer, the best time to start learning programming is today. Well, the best time was yesterday, but since that's gone now, you should only start today. It's not late, and AI will definitely not replace programmers. And to be honest, there are more chances for aliens to replace us than the AI. Anyway, now that you got my point, let's move on. Today we will break down the following. What exactly DeepSeek AI is, why you should start using it, how it affects the job market, and how good it is compared to other AI tools such as OpenAI's ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. So what exactly is DeepSeek AI? Imagine a super smart computer program that can solve math problems, write code, and understand scientific concepts. That's DeepSeek R1. It's a new AI model from China that works just as well as some of the best paid AI models, only this one is free. Sounds too good to be true? Yeah. That's what I thought in the beginning. But you will see why DeepSeek AI is a game changer. DeepSeek R1, that's what they named the model, uses three main techniques to achieve its impressive performance: chain of thought, reinforcement learning, and model distillation. Chain of thought translates to thinking out loud. Think of chain of thought as the AI's way of showing its work. Just like in school, when you solve a math problem, you write down each step. This helps the AI figure out where it might have gone wrong and fix it. For example, if the AI is solving a complex equation, it will explain each step it takes, and it will make it easier to spot and correct mistakes itself. Reinforcement learning is similar to learn by doing. Similar to how babies learn to walk, they try, stumble, and learn from their mistakes. The AI does the same thing. It tries different ways to solve problems and learns which method works best by getting rewards for good answers. As for model distillation, it translates to teaching the little guy. Imagine a big smart teacher AI teaching a smaller student AI. The big AI shows the small AI how to solve problems, so the small AI can do the same tasks but without needing as much power or resources. It's like having the best mentor who helps you understand complex subjects in a simpler way. Now that we know what DeepSeek is and how it works, it's time for you to understand why you should actually use it. Similar to every other AI tool out there, DeepSeek was invented to assist humans and makes our lives a bit easier. It's not here to steal our jobs or take over the world, but there's something unique about DeepSeek that sets it apart from the rest. Curious? Of course you are. DeepSeek offers a straightforward setup and an easy-to-use API, which makes it accessible even to people who are new to AI. If you have questions what API is, go watch this video. It's open source and free to use, so beginners can experiment and learn without worrying about paying a lot of money. It provides extensive documentation and community support, which helps beginners understand and utilize its features effectively. What's better than a clear documentation, right? Another important benefit is its high processing speed. You can see the results of your work really quickly. It can be used for a variety of tasks, from text analysis to code generation, which makes it excellent for programmers. It is high performance, meaning beginners and experienced programmers can rely on it for accurate and efficient code generation. And it has a great community support where beginners can find answers to their questions, share their experiences, and learn from others. Now, a lot of people worry about the job market and how DeepSeek and AI in general affects our jobs. I had the same thoughts initially until I did my research and changed my mindset to the following. And I really think you should do the same, by the way. AI, like DeepSeek, enhances productivity and creativity in software development. But how does it actually impact your job security? Look, if you're clever enough to learn at the least the basics of AI and be updated with the latest trends, you will have an unfair advantage to those who don't. Even if they are more experienced than you in other skills or older in age, I don't know. Staying up to date with AI trends will definitely keep you competitive in the job market. By leveraging AI, you can create innovative solutions and applications which will help you stay ahead in your career. Now let's see how DeepSeek compares to its major competitors out there. DeepSeek excels in complex tasks like coding and problem solving because of the three unique techniques we discussed earlier: chain of thought, reinforcement learning, and model distillation. It provides faster responses and it's more efficient in complex tasks. It has less power requirements and cost implications, so it's much cheaper than any other AI tool out there. And this, by the way, is beneficial to our environment as well. Since it requires less energy, that means less environmental impact. Two birds with one shot. And it uses cost-effective GPUs and optimization techniques, which reduces the training costs. By understanding and utilizing these benefits, beginner programmers can feel more confident and secure in their role. So go on and open a new tab in your browser. I hope you're using Chrome, by the way, and start learning about AI and programming. You should really do it. If you want to learn programming, I have some good resources in the links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.